Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be starting on freshly washed hair. I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial, I guess, or show you how I'm hopefully going to achieve a braid out with perm rods. So I'm going to be using some accessories and like curl rods. I have some Rapid Setting Foaming Mousse, I have some oils, and I have my Blueberry Curls Twist and Shout Cream. So here I'm just taking down some twists that I had my hair pinned in when I just washed it. And I just did a shampoo and condition, and then I re-conditioned again. I didn't deep condition this time. So now I'm just taking this twist out and okay guys, so once your hair is divided into 4 parts, I'm just going to go section by section and make small little braids and start to use my perm curl rods. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to go ahead and start doing the front of my hair and making sections like right just going to take your Twist and Shout cream. Got a little bit of that on my fingers. Put them later. And then stop. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I go from this to this. So guys, I only have this top area done, so I'm going to go ahead and do this. This will probably be about 2 to 3 puffs maybe. So probably about 2 to 3 more, and then I'll come back to you guys, okay? Okay guys, so I just switched and put on like a nice little cute tank tube top because it's getting warm now. But yeah, this is the final look. I got my hair all twisted up or braided, and then I put the pearl rod at the bottom of my twist. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you guys the next morning. Alright guys, so now we're just gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face, and then we're gonna take down these beautiful curls. So let's go ahead and just add my foundation on really quickly. So I'm gonna just take some EVIAN water. And I'm just gonna mist my skin. Okay, and then I also have a handy dandy beauty blender just to help kind of like use it in. I'm gonna be taking the Fenty Beauty Primer, matte base. Okay, so for my foundation, I'm just using the AIRFLASH. It's a lightweight foundation. This is the Pro Flawless Light Powder. I need to grab my so this is how my curls turned out. Basically, I kept those curl rods in for about 3 days, really, just to really kind of make sure I had definition to my hair. And I love it, guys. I used a couple of different products. I used heavy creams, heavy butters. I used a sealant from Shea Moisture, which was the MANUKA Honey Hydrate and Repair Split-In Balm. This is so bomb. I love this so much, guys. Let me know what you think about my new setup. Let me know what your favorite products are to use in your hair, especially during warmer months. And just let me know what you've been loving recently for your curly textured afro hair. Yeah, guys, so these are my curls, and basically I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I think these came out super pretty. It's definitely more fuller than my last video when I had my hair out, like showing my Lululemons and stuff. I definitely can see my hair has grown, and it does feel a little fuller, and it's definitely a little longer, so I'm super excited. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this get ready with me hair curl tutorial. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.